so I'm gonna take the throat out of this one.
Yeah.
And the wood piece out.
All right, everybody, it's almost stone crab season here, and Sassy Sarah is getting the traps ready. Now, they get beat up every year, and you have to replace a lot of parts. So we're gonna replace that wooden piece there. And that wooden piece is so the crabs can get out. That way they're not stuck in there in case you like to lose the trap. We gotta replace some throats too. That's the throat. You can see that one's broken. This one's broken too, so Sarah's putting in a new wood piece right now. There we go.
I'm getting out of that.
Now we gotta get a new throat on here too. The throats get broken. You can see this one's all busted apart right there and broken. So we're gonna take this old one off. We're gonna put a new one in there. And Sassy Sarah, she's like 8 months pregnant almost, and we're getting ready for stone crab season. So I'm gonna show you guys, we're gonna paint we got some new buoys, we're gonna paint those. Get all these traps fixed up, replace that throat right there.
Fresh one.
With a nice fresh one just like that. And we'll be good to go. Whoops. And every year, I mean, we do have to do some maintenance to them, you know, whether you're recreational or commercial. But these are the buoys right here that we're using. We're gonna paint them just a certain color, you know, so we know they're ours. We got ropes on there, and there you go. So that's all you need. We gotta fix all these up. We got 10 traps. I just gotta go round up some bait at the marina, and we're gonna show you guys setting all these things out.
So 5 are my traps and 5 are Nick's traps.
And that makes
So
10.
I know, but just so that people don't think that I have 10.
Oh, okay. I have 5 traps and Sarah has 5 traps. That makes 10 traps. So we got a little bit of work to do. We're gonna keep on it.
This buoy got run over. If I see there's prop marks and it got chopped.
We'll put a fresh one on.
Yeah.
Out with the old buoy, in with a new buoy.
This is gonna be our buoy color this year.
That's what we're going
It's
with.
gonna be bright. It's
Nice and
Sadie's.
bright.
It's left over from Sadie's room. It's like seafoam.
So that seafoam green there, that paint color close to it, a light green, and oh boy. And that's what we're gonna paint these trap buoys with. So here we go. And there's a couple ways to tie these ropes here. You can bridle them. A lot of people do that. It's actually a really good idea.
I don't like them bridled.
Sarah does not like them bridle. You know, human are creatures of habit, so sometimes people put a bridle like that. And that way when you go to grab them, you know, say that, pretend this is tied right there, you can grab it just like that. But
See, I don't like it. I don't like it like that because then you have to pull the whole trap like flat like that. So I like to get it from the corner.
There you go.
So I tie it like that with a big enough hole to stick your hand in it. Because then when you pull it on the boat, you can like leverage it from the corner this way. I just feel like you have more leverage from the corner.
All right.
So I like it like that.
All right, so I'm gonna let the camera run, you guys. We're gonna fix a few of these up, show you that, and then we're gonna show you put them out here. This is also what we got here too. You know, it's kind of like a how-to stone crab video. We have a weight here. Now this is on the line right there, and that way it holds the buoy straight up and down. If you don't always have that weight on there, if there's too much rope on it, because obviously you got high tide and low tide, it'll float sideways on the surface and boats run them over easier. But this will hold it down, and that way they don't get run over as often.
So the whole top piece will be solid like that, but thicker. And then I'm just gonna stripe the bottom.
Sarah's starting to paint the stone crab trap buoys. You know, a lot of people paint their buoy unique colors, and we're gonna put an R on it for recreational.
Now everybody will know which buoys are mine.
Yes.
If I see anyone messing with my traps,
You're in trouble.
game over.
Oh.
Oh. We're gonna go put our crab traps in. Sarah just got fresh bait. Check it out right here. So that's an iguana. Now a lot of people don't know, but that's really good stone crab bait. So we're gonna add a lot of fish carcasses. We got fresh lizards going in too. They are everywhere in here. They're a nuisance. They're an invasive species, and there's a ton of them. So don't feel bad. We got a few other ones in here from the last couple days. We got fresh bait. And now this could be the secret. I mean, we could crush the stone crabs this year because of this bait. Sarah just sniped him out of the house. So here we go. Let's go load the traps. These are my 5 traps. Those are Sarah's 5 traps. But we're sharing the iguanas.
Did you water my plants
Yeah.
I was like, somebody watered my plants. I was going to do that later today. They needed it.
We got the bait, we got the traps, we got Jocelyn over here. Sarah's around here somewhere. Jamie's coming to film. We got Phil here making a cameo. Time to load him up. It is windy, it's blowing 20 to 25 knots and stormy. Only a couple boats been out fishing today. A lot of boats canceled. But we're setting our crab traps out, so here we go. So we're leaving Bud and Mary. Sassy Sarah's taking us to her favorite crabbing area. The bait stinks, which is good. We got plenty of bait. There's a lot of squalls around and rain.
Perfect day to set the trap.
Yeah, perfect day to set the trap. So we could have put them in a couple days ago, but we weren't ready.
So now we get to deal with bad conditions.
So now we got kind of crummy conditions weather-wise, but it is what it is. So we'll see you guys out there. Here we go.
Mac and Cheese Girl is here.
The mac and cheese girl's here.
We're gonna train her on how to do stone crabbing next. And then we're gonna make stone crab mac and cheese. It'll be awesome.
Have you ever made stone crab mac and cheese?
No, but I have ideas for stone crab.
She's got ideas for stone crab. We're trying to talk her into doing her own channel. She's on the fence, she's thinking about it. So leave some positive comments, tell her that she should do it. So
I'm working on it.
she's working on
Slowly,
it. So
very slowly.
slowly, she did get a GoPro, so she's moving in the right direction. Here we go.
Look at this bird.
There's a lot of rain coming. I got a nice rain jacket, but it's on my boat. I'm not very smart some days. This is like the deadliest catch out here. Not quite, but Alamrada style. I mean, it's solid rain up there if you guys can see it. It's less than ideal conditions. We're in the area we want to put the traps in. There's some other buoys out here already, so it's not really a secret, but we got the bait ready. Back here, we just got our thumbnail picture in the bow. We're waiting for this rain squall to pass, then we're putting them in. You know, there's a tag system too, so you have to have a tag. So we got our tags in here now. These red ones right there, and those got our numbers on that we got from FWC. And those will correlate 5 traps for me and 5 traps for Sarah. So if you do traps, make sure you get your tag numbers. We're loading up our traps, guys. This is our first trap. We're putting some tuna carcasses in it. There's been a lot of tuna around, so they're gonna get some tuna to eat. And hopefully it's a good stone crab season, you know? We could really use that for 2020. Ready when you are, Captain.
Okey-dokey. Make sure to put the weight down. Okay, it's good.
Yeah. So we got our buoy here. We got a little weight on the rope there on the line to keep it straight up and down so boats don't run it over as easily. Bombs away. Number 2. Oh yeah. Getting ready for deadliest catch. Number 3, Jocelyn.
So,
We're gonna give this one something special though, you guys. I told you earlier, this is a little secret. Here we go. We gotta put some iguanas in there. These things are a nuisance, they're an invasive species. Sarah's been thinning them out. In he goes. You ready?
yep.
Number 3, going over. Another like 500, maybe I can get a job on a crab boat. Oh my gosh, the sun's coming out. Makes better effects for the video. That one was heavy. Okay, Sarah said I don't have to pick them up to throw them in. I can just push them in with my foot, but I like to make it dramatic on the video.
Come on, hurry up.
Creval Jack here. Sarah's telling me to hurry up, so I gotta do more working and less talking. Here we go. You ready?
Ready?
Bombs, huh? Bombs away. I guess that was easier than picking up and throwing it in, but it wasn't as cool, you know? A little more. More? Yeah.
There's only a massive piece, just grabbing it.
Hold on to it.
Failure to communicate. Sarah wasn't ready. I threw it in prematurely.
Don't put that in the video.
I'm putting it in the video.
In the video.
We only got 3 more after this, so.
Alright, I'm throwing it in. Not yet. I'm just kidding.
Oh, the lucky iguana. That could be the one.
Oh!
Oh, his tail fell apart. There you go. That's perfect. That one's got the secret bait. Fresh iguana from this morning.
Okay, now we're ready.
Oh, good throw, good throw.
More?
One more skin.
All right.
You can just kick your head up with your foot too.
Go ahead. It's not gonna like flip?
Yeah.
They always land.
Oh yeah, 'cause they're heavy.
Uh-oh. Last one. Good job. We're all set. We got 10 traps out here. We're gonna be checking them all season. A couple of things changed this season. The size of the claw went up. The season closes a little bit earlier, and there might be another one. You have to go check that out. But we're ready to go. We got more rain coming. It's pretty crummy out now. We'll stay tuned though. We'll see how we do this season. And you know, if we hit 150,000 subscribers coming up here in the next few months, part of the deal that we do this giveaway is you're gonna be fishing with me a day. Either gonna go stone crabbing or lobstering with Sarah, depending on the time of year. We'll see when we get there. But we're ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. We're going back into the rain. Storms are coming, so that's what we're running into. Here we go.
When they sit and they start in the mud.
All right, we got the crab bait. We got Mr. Rob. There we go. Do you want us to hate anybody on the YouTube video? Any of your buddies? Owen and Drew.
Here's a future lobster.
There you go. With Mr. Rob, we got crab bait.